Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change refresh rate on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your Samsung Galaxy A54. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on display. Once you select the display, scroll down the display page, then it should say motion smoothness. Now go ahead and click on that. Once you selected motion smoothness, you have adaptive and then you have standard. Then here you can see you can adjust your screen refresh rate. Get smoother animation and scrolling by automatically adjusting your screen refresh rate up to 120 Hz. Then the standard is going to set your refresh rate to 60. So if this is set to 60 and you want to change it to 120, select adaptive. Or if it's set to adaptive and you want to change it to 60, just select standard and then click on apply. Once you hit the apply button, then this is going to change your refresh rate on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.